In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to Google Calendar in Outlook. By the end, you'll see your Google events right inside Outlook, so everything lives in one place without manual copying. Start by opening Google Calendar in your browser and signing in. On the left sidebar, find the calendar you want to bring into Outlook. Hover over its name and click the three dots to open more options, then choose Settings and Sharing. This takes you to that calendar settings page where you can control how it integrates with other apps. Scroll until you see the section called Integrate Calendar. Here you'll find a private link labeled Secret Address in iCal format. Click to copy that link. This address is what Outlook will use to read your Google Calendar. Treat it like a password. It's private. It grants read-only access, and you shouldn't share it publicly. If a confirmation message appears, click OK to proceed. Now switch over to Outlook Calendar in your browser and sign in if needed. In Outlook, look for Add Calendar. Choose Subscribe from Web, which lets you bring in a calendar feed from a link. Paste the secret iCal address you copied from Google into the URL field. Give the calendar a clear name so you can recognize it at a glance. For example, something like Google Personal or Google Team. Pick a color that stands out from your other calendars. Color coding makes it much easier to scan your day and understand what's coming from where. When you're ready, click Import. Outlook will add the subscription and display your Google events alongside your Outlook ones. This subscription is read-only, so if you need to change an event, make the edit in Google Calendar. Outlook will update automatically. It can take a few minutes for the first sync to finish, and ongoing updates may not be instantaneous. If you don't see changes right away, give it a little time or refresh the page. A couple of quick tips to keep things smooth: keep your time zone consistent between Google and Outlook to avoid shifted start times, and remember that the secret iCal link is private, so store it securely. If you ever want to stop seeing the Google Calendar in Outlook, you can remove the subscription from Outlook without affecting the original Google Calendar. That's it. You've connected Google Calendar to Outlook using the secure iCal link, named and color-coded it, and imported it for a clean, unified view of your schedule.